Hey everyone, it's Desiree, and I am here. Yeah, you're not seeing things. It's another kit by Spellbinders. This is awesome. And we're in August, towards the end. I'm just blown away by that. This year is going by so quickly. It's just amazing. And I know I said it in the last card kit too. I had to take a moment. I'm good with it. I don't need to take a moment, but just going to ramble a little bit with it. So this is a special kit. This is not part of the monthly subscription. So if you subscribe to the card kit of the month with Spellbinders, this is separate from that. Okay, so just keep that in mind. You can see that this kit here is huge. I haven't even opened it yet. Now, my mail company, my postal delivery services, they're awesome with boxes. So all of my boxes look like this. So they always look beat up. But this kit, it's literally 2 inches thick, this box. The regular kit is not that. It's like 1.5 inches. So let's just dive right in. This is called All Aboard Christmas Kit. So yes, Christmas. So this will definitely get you started on your Christmas cards or holiday cards for this season. So here we go. So you can see the box. Now let me turn it around. That's what the back looks like. An adorable little train. And it's great because their boxes always give you snippets on what's inside. So let's put this off to the side here. So you're going to hear all kinds of crinkling, but that's okay. All right, so let's start with, as I get this out of my way here, lots of crinkling. So as always, you're going to get your card. So your card's going to have some inspiration. And again, it's going to tell you all of the contents that you are going to get in this kit. 25 cards and 25 envelopes, 16 sheets of cardstock, 2 sheets of glitter, paper pad, clear stamps, dies, shapes, florals, gift tags, gemstones, sequins, chipboard, glitter foam stickers, gold glitter alphabet, foam squares, adhesive tape. It's amazing. And then of course you get some inspiration as well on that card. So let's dive right into the cardstock. All right, so here is the glitter. So you get red glitter and a piece of gold glitter. Now, of course, you know, we've always got to do that test. Very little came off, so that's awesome. Now, I'm probably going to do, matter of fact, I am. There's going to be a separate video when it comes to the creating of the cards, because there's just so much to show, but maybe I will combine it. We'll see. All right, the cardstock. You get a piece of silver mirror cardstock, a deep, rich burgundy, gold mirror cardstock. This is like an off-white, maybe like an eggshell, black, dark blue, beautiful hunter green, an ivory, a lighter shade of red, gray, a deep red, a white, a pink, a light blue, and 2 shades of green, a brighter green that has a little bit of texture to it, and then a smooth bright green as well. I mean, right here, this is just all of the cardstock that you're going to get in the kit. All right, as always, you are going to get not 10, but 25 card bases. These are the same bases that you get in the original card kits of the month, but you get 25 envelopes, 25 card bases, and again, these are standard A2 size with texture, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So if you're making a portrait, they are a side fold, and if you're making a landscape, they are top folding. You will get a spool, whatever you want to call that, double-sided tape, and you will get 2 double-sided foam squares. And remember, you can use all of that by cutting into it. Get a packet of red sequins, and these are different toned. Some of them are shiny, some of them are matte, so you get a nice choice selection in that. All right, let's dig into all of the, well, let's go through the 6x6 paper pad first. Now remember, this is a paper pad. It feels a little thicker. This is a paper pad, so this is not cardstock. This is just under 65 pounds, I believe. Again, it is 6x6. I'm already loving that paper. Oh, I skipped one. I love these paper pads, and if you've seen my reveals and the way that I'm doing them recently, I say the same thing. I love the choices. These paper pads, oh my God, that's gorgeous. Go from great, huge focal points that can be used on their own, because remember what I said, let your paper do the work for you. Some have gold embellishments, some have small accents to them, some have a larger print to them, some have words, so it's a great mix. What I also love about this is it is great for layering. For those of you that have seen my videos before, I love to collage. It's, for some reason, when I see the Spellbinders card kits, I just automatically think of collage. It's what I'm inspired by. And it's what I gravitate to. Now, it looks like, I'm just going to real quick flip through this, just to make sure, because again, I am unboxing this with you. And as always, you get 2 of each of the designs. So I'm seeing everything for the first time with you. Well, that makes it fun now, doesn't it? Okay. Get our chipboard stickers. Beautiful blessings from our house to yours. Christmas, merry and bright, holidays, celebrating happiness, gather together, family, joy, love, peace, all is bright. So again, you can use these for multiple holidays as well. You know, so celebrating happiness, that can be for any holiday. Here we get some 3D foam stickers, naughty or nice, let the festivities begin. Oh, what fun, some great images. Let's see, what else we got here? We have some glitter stickers of sentiments. Merry, jolly, ho, Noel, and ho, 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 believe, in, joy, love, Christmas. So you can actually make your own sentiment with that. And then some foam letters to make your own sentiments as well, or if you want to put somebody's name on something. And again, you're not limited to just cards for this. That is what is awesome with this kit. All right, let's keep going. I think I might be halfway through it. We have some beautiful gems in ivory and a beautiful pale green, pink and red with some gold flecks on them. We have, oh, this is exciting. This is one of 2 die cut packs. Yes, one of 2. So you all are sitting there laughing, saying, oh, she's excited for this. I am. Yes, I am. All right. So let's put this package over here. So this here is the florals. So that's all we have in this. Some beautiful floral images to create our cards. White and gold, leaves, berries, outlines, all kinds of just different images. So we know that I will enjoy that one as well. And here is die pack number 2 with even more florals. This one has your florals, your sentiments, animals, candy canes, stamps, ornaments, reindeer, trees, tickets, all the fun goodies that I just so enjoy. So we have that. But we're not done yet. Now this one is a tag pack. Oh my. All right, let's rip into this. So not only do they give you card bases, but they are also giving you tags. And I look at these as these could be sentiments, and of course I'm struggling with this, and I just dug right into my hand there. Okay. Here, okay, there we go. I couldn't talk and open it then. All right, so these are just banners, and again, if I look at the top, I believe, yes, there is a hole up there that will come out that we can remove. So these could actually be sentiments as well. All right, merry everything. I love that sentiment, merry everything. Blessings, be joyful. Or you can put these right onto your packages and turn them into tags. Since they are white on the back, you could just write to and from. This here, yeah, I'm just having way too fun digging into this. So we get some twine, and I'm just going to keep that. Well, now it's going to come out with everything. All right, put that there. So these are tags as well. So already pre-made, that little tiny topper will come off. So again, you could just make these right as your tags. No adding of anything. You just simply write to and from on the back, and we are set to go. So that is awesome. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 of these tags alone. So that is awesome. Let's put these back in here. Okay, up next, sorry about that. I had to, something was about to go off and y'all didn't need to hear it. And no, it wasn't me. Okay, so let's continue because no, we are not done. As always, you get a stamp set. Now, this is a beautiful sentiment stamp set. And here's why I say it's beautiful. I love the type font. I love a scripty font. And when you can mix these two together and build your own sentiments, that just makes it even more enjoyable. We've got a bow, we've got and, you love enjoy, wonderful holiday. May you be surrounded by joy or love or wonderful. May your holidays be wonderful, sending you joy, wishing you lots of joy or love. Joy this holiday season. So again, you can build, and it's covering general holidays, and then of course you can be specific. It does have Christmas down here, and so on. And then finally, the die set. And this die set is actually building a train, which I think is absolutely cool. So this will be fun to create. So what I can say is, now that I've thought through this and I've showed you everything that comes in the All Aboard Christmas Kit by Spellbinders, this is going to fall, so I'm going to set this off to the side here. So there will be a separate video. Now, it will come very close right after this airs, so don't think you have to wait too long. It's probably going to be the same day. All right, so back-to-back videos for the All Aboard Christmas Kit. So I hope you enjoyed this, and by all means, we'll see you in the next video. But remember to subscribe, hit that button if you would like. I'd love for you to be part of the group here. Everything will be linked down below. If you are already interested in this kit, I am sure this is going to go quickly. So I would make a decision very fast if you are interested in this type of a kit. So guys, take care, enjoy, and remember what I always say, always be creative. Till the next video, see you soon.